Yeah! Any Austin Mahone fans in the crowd today?
Hello, everybody.
Any Granddad fans? I'm a fan of Granddad. What's up, Granddad?
Granddad!
Is that Mac in the back? Mac, what's up, Mac? Okay, well, it looks like you guys are almost seated. My name's DJ Rayvon. This is the special VIP meet and greet. This is cool. We do this each and every show to kind of give you guys a chance to do something personal with the homie, Mr. Austin Mahone. So you guys happy to be here? What? All right, so what we're going to do is have my brother play a few songs. Then I'm going to bring out a special guest. He's going to ask you guys some questions. Actually, he's going to allow you to ask Mr. Austin Mahone some questions. And we'll do that twice, okay?
I like your hat. Yours. You. Yes. Very cool. I have the same one, actually.
Hey, so what's up, man? You want to do a track or you want to play guitar on this song?
Yeah. I mean, where is my guitar? Bobby? Give it up for Bobby, everybody! On three, say I love you, Bobby. 1, 2, 3. Where are you going, Bobby?
XYZ, buddy, XYZ.
I love you, Austin! Austin, your zipper's down!
Hello, there we go.
I love
Let her have a zipper. Or buttons. I checked, they're good. I like your sign.
Thank you.
Very cool.
I love you.
What do you guys want me to play? 4 years old? I got money, everything that I ever wanted. Never thought of what I might need. Ain't it funny how I spent my whole life running, reaching for the sky and coming back with nothing. It feels like I'm 4 years old all over again, and I'm gonna be running fast. I should be walking, staying when I grow up. I guess I was faking, 'cause look at all the money I'm making. Still nothing can compare to the love of love. I was thinking there's too much time to see that I'm wasting, reaching for the sky and coming back. with nothing. It feels like I'm 4 years old all over again. And I'm gonna be running fast, should be walking. Staying with I guess I was thinking, 'cause look at